Hi view from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I'm in Woodlands filming a HDB flat with our in-house AAG media team. I've actually sold the property before today's filming. So now I will show you how I sold the HDB flat in one weekend. But before that, let me show you this property. I presented the location of the estate and the property by identifying the following pros and cons for the USB. Number 1. The HDB type. Private corner unit with 3 bedrooms. According to the floor plan, the original layout indicates the study room which was removed to create the useful area. Number 2. Regular shaped bedrooms. This allowed potential buyers the option to transform as home office, study, entertainment area, kids room and grandparents room. Number 3. Woodlands Estate is one of the largest mature estates in the north of Singapore. Number 4. Spanning across the north-south MRT map known as the Red Line, there are 3 stations covers the estate: Admiralty, Woodlands and Marsiling MRT stations. Surrounding them are plenty of amenities within reach. Number 5. Approximately 500 meters to Admiralty MRT station, Block 638 Woodlands Ring Road is situated in between many amenities such as Kampong Admiralty Hawker Centre, Woodlands Galaxy Community Club, Woodlands Emerald Garden. To date, I have more than 10 buyers looking for Woodlands and other locations. Contact me if you plan to sell your property. And I have transacted Hougang 2 HDB executive flats way above market value. Do remember to like my video and subscribe to our channel. See you again.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.